Hey, good morning, everybody. We're going to have a quick update here for Bitcoin. We already know about the head and shoulders, so let's talk about what's been actually going on over the past few hours and past few days. So we tapped down on the neckline for the head and shoulders. That was a good sign right there. And what happened? We bounced right off of it, and we broke out above the 2-to-1 GAN fan line. That was all nice and good. And what happened? We ran straight into the Fibonacci level just as predicted, and we're coming back down here a little bit. Now, my prediction here is we have an opportunity, as long as we stay above this 3-to-1 GAN fan line, this purple line here, we can consolidate long enough to have a breakout. That breakout should give us enough force to break above the Fibonacci. We can always break out above the Fibonacci well before this time, but we may take a slight dip just because of the death cross coming up as far as Bitcoin's concerned. So let me zoom out very fast for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. This white line you guys see on your screen, this is the breakout we would want to come out of. This would give us an opportunity to get back up here towards $48,000 or so. I know it's not all the way to $69,000, but it's a good start, because if we can start battling down these walls, then we get out of this danger zone, and then this head and shoulders pattern that we have, it's not going to come to fruition. We won't be falling all the way back down here to like 35,000, whatever, right? But that's the goal for now. If we take a look here at the 4-hour chart, you can see this a little bit nicer. Look at that. Bounce. Our new level of support right now is going to be this 2-to-1 GAN fan line right here. Pretty simple. I can show you guys how to do this line sometime later on in the day. COVID's just been kicking my butt. It got worse last night. But yeah, we got a golden cross on the 4-hour chart, which is pretty nice. And you know, if we're able to break above this Fibonacci level, we can have a price target of about $46,000 or so, which would be really nice. It'll get us away from this danger zone at about $40,000. That's really the goal right now, guys. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
Talk to me nice, talk to me